Hey guys, COCHISE FPV back to you again with another obstacle for the Q.T.G. This is going to be obstacle number 3. It's going to be a dual purpose obstacle. Show you what my drawing looks like. It's going to be axe throwing and knife edge trainer is what it's going to be. Here's a picture of her. And I think it's going to be pretty fun. I'm going to have some gates, some gaps, and the knife or the axe throwing. The reason why I want to put the axe throwing out there is because sometimes I get so damn frustrated, because my flying's not going my way, that I feel like breaking shit. So throwing an axe, I think, will be a good solution to that problem. All right. So I got my lumber here. Found this old bed frame in a yard sale. What's cool about it is you can take these slats out. There's bolts in them, so I can move the slats around and make the different size gaps I want for the knife edge training. So it's going to work pretty slick. And of course I'll put the water noodles on the holes as well, because knife edging through there, you don't want to bust up your stuff while you're training. So that defeats the purpose. So I'll get started on doing some of this stuff. I'll show you a little bit of the construction. And then we'll catch you up in a little bit. All right. First thing we're going to do is cut these down to 5-foot lengths. These are 2x8s. Yeah, we gotta get my other one. These things are handy. All right, we got them cut. Now these are the back side of this. And I got to cut 3 boards to go across the lengthwise so that I can secure these boards. And then when I need to replace boards, I can just take the screws out of the back of these and replace them as I need to. So that should work pretty good. Make sure they're tight together. What do we got here? 36 1/4. Just like that. 2 more of them. 45 1/2. So 22 1/2, no, 22 3/4 is center. I mean, it don't gotta be fucking exact, but you know, I'm kind of a fruit that way. analyst, I think they call it. Get my square. So these are deck screws. They're freaking nice ones, man. So they're just long enough. You don't want to overdrive them. Otherwise you're going to come through the front. All right, you get the picture, right? All right, drawing my target here. I made this little apparatus. Yeah, so that's what it's going to look like. Got a color in this in-between spot here now. So that's tedious.